Another shocking case of neglect. 28 mentally challenged people have died at a shelter home in Delhi since the beginning of this year, with 14 deaths, including that of a child, taking place in July alone, prompting the state government to order a probe. The BJP said that it has brought up the issue in the Lok Sabha as well, while the Aam Aadmi Party has accused the party of following a dual model of politics. Now, State Minister Atishi said that no one will be spared, while the NCW chief Rekha Sharma said people had died with contaminated food and water. Listen into these reactions.
आज दिल्ली के अखबारों के अंदर दिल्ली सरकार जो आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है वह उसकी लापरवाही के कारण दिल्ली रोहिणी सेक्टर 1 में आशा किरण मंद बुद्धि विकास गृह संचालित करती है दिल्ली की आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार, जिसमें बड़ी संख्या में मंद बुद्धि के बालक बालिका रहते हैं। बड़े दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि 13 बच्चों की दुग्ध मृत्यु पर अपनी गहरी पीड़ा और आक्रोश व्यक्त करने के लिए मैं खड़ा हुआ हूं, जबकि जुलाई में कुल मरने वालों की संख्या 22 है।
My colleague Ishika still with us on the broadcast. Ishika, now in terms of another shocking case coming in from the national capital, politics again erupting out of this, but take us through exactly what the incident is.
Well, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, a very disturbing report, in fact, came from this Asha Kiran shelter home, where it was reported that around 14 lost their lives in 1 month in that particular shelter, after which, in fact, the political war of words only intensified into the matter. We also saw, in fact, the NCW chief, Rekha Sharma, visiting that, shelter home and saying that it seems as if, the food that was provided to them was lacking in nutrition. There was certainly very poor hygiene that was present here, because of which, she's saying is the reason for the death. But certainly, if we talk about the Delhi government also took cognizance of the entire matter. And in fact, the Revenue Minister Atishi has in fact ordered for a magisterial probe into this matter. She also in fact has ordered the additional Chief Secretary to submit the report in 48 hours. Now, let me also tell you that apart from this, the Lieutenant Governor also took cognizance of the matter, and he now in fact has directed the Chief Secretary that a comprehensive inquiry needs to be done into this, disturbing report that has come, and also actually make a list of all of those, shelter homes that are being run by the Delhi government and how functional actually they are. But remember that questions continue to be raised, because the question here is that why was the inspection not done at a time, and why was the government waiting for this report to come out, this disturbing report to come out, and then only, order a probe into this entire matter. So that questions remain, in the mind of many, and certainly, over that, the Atishi in fact says that we are going to wait for the report, and based on that, action is going to be taken and nobody is going to be spared. Over to you.
Like you mentioned, the big question, of course, being why it took so much time for them to find out that these deaths were taking place because of negligence and lack of standards maintained in the facility as well. But questions also arising that is there now going to be an audit of other facilities and shelter homes?
Well, as per the Delhi government, certainly the audit is now going to be there for all the other shelter homes. Let me tell you that the Lieutenant Governor has also asked for a similar report from the Chief Secretary. In fact, to bring in on white paper as to what, all of those shelter homes that are now being run by the Delhi government, to see actually how functional they are in reality. So certainly now we are seeing that an array of steps by the Delhi government, by the Lieutenant Governor, has been ordered in this entire matter. But as you rightly mentioned, the questions that are being asked by many here is that why was the inspection not being done in time? Because remember that this shelter home was being run by the Delhi government. Now, the CMO certainly says that that position became vacant when Chief Minister, in fact, went behind the bars. But certainly, what were the officials of that department doing? Why was the inspection not done? Why was the food not being checked? That certainly is the questions that continue to be there, and certainly continues to attack, the Delhi government over this.